Replacing locks and keys with electronic access control is a great way to ensure your customers and their visitors can move about their premises without having to actually touch a door. The CDC and OSHA guidelines reference moving away from touch-based security devices to help minimize the spread of germs. When talking about contactless access control, we are specifically referencing the avoidance of non-hygienic common touch points such as doors and keypads. We are looking at options to utilize long-range readers or a hands-free interface to open entry points from a distance to avoid breaching social distancing guidelines in areas such as blind spots. Where possible, we can also use standard proximity readers which require no physical connection between readers and tokens. Combined with an infrared exit button or a passive infrared detector, in combination with a door opener or closer, we can eliminate any need to touch a door handle and provide true touchless entry and exit. To see how we can achieve contactless access control, let's use the example of a call center environment. Here we have a single entrance and exit point for staff, all using a keypad for entry to the building. With this level of traffic all touching the keypad and door, it represents a significant risk of infection. The use of a Paxton proximity reader and an automated door opener and closer removes the need for anyone to touch the door or reader. The same can be applied to internal doors. If the door is not set up to be read in and read out, a simple low-cost, no-touch infrared exit button can be installed. The opportunity to add access control to an additional entry or exit point and reduce traffic per access point will further reduce the risk of transferring infection to others. The option of having the ability to open internal doors or external overhead doors for deliveries from a safe distance with a long-range reader means that where visibility is restricted, early identification of the presence of other people can be mitigated. A range of Paxton proximity readers are available for all environments, providing convenient contactless access control for use internally and externally. Color-coded wiring to the Net2 control unit allows for a straightforward installation. Where there is a requirement to open doors from a safe distance, a hands-free interface can be installed to provide long range from standard proximity readers when used in conjunction with Paxton's hands-free tokens. For applications that require a greater range still, such as parking garages or delivery entrances, long-range readers are available, providing a greater read range of up to 15 feet with hands-free tokens. The standard push-to-exit buttons can be an obvious point of contamination. Replacing these with an infrared exit button or a PIR detector can provide touchless egress. These devices will be connected to the Net2 control unit using the dedicated exit input. Adding an automatic door opener in combination with these other measures will provide a truly contactless solution. This device can be connected to Net2 Plus's Relay 2 voltage-free contacts. The settings of the control unit need to be configured within Net2 to allow Relay 1 and Relay 2 to be operated together.